If you're still using toilet paper to clean yourself, then you don't know what you're missing, because bidets not only make cleaning more efficient, but leave your bottom much cleaner too. But with so many bidet seats out there, it can be hard to know which one actually works and won't leave you disappointed. That's why I did the hard work and researched many latest models. From the top luxury splurges to the affordable, feature-packed heroes. Whether you're on a budget or ready for the ultimate smart toilet experience, we've got the perfect model to transform your routine. You'll find links to the best prices for all the bidet toilet seats mentioned in this video in the description and top comment. Also, these bidet toilet seats aren't ranked in any specific order, so be sure to watch until the end to find the one that best fits your needs. Number 7 is the Bidet Swash LE99. This is the most budget-friendly bidet toilet seat on our list. This bidet feels like a real upgrade without costing a fortune. It fits most elongated toilets and has many features that make bathroom time way more comfortable. For example, a heated seat and a nightlight for those late-night trips. It also has a warm water wash with multiple modes. You can pick a gentle wash for soft or a strong wash if you need a little extra cleaning power. It also has both front and rear wash options. The spray can pulse or oscillate depending on your preference. The nozzle of this toilet seat is made of stainless steel. It's self-cleaning and has 5 different positions, so you can always get a precise wash. You can adjust the water temperature and pressure too. It even remembers your favorite settings due to programmable user profiles. And once you're done, a warm air dryer makes everything completely hands-free. Now, installation is straightforward with the included mounting plate and hoses. The remote makes adjusting everything simple. Price-wise, it's surprisingly affordable considering all these features, and there are often discounts that make it even more wallet-friendly. Overall, the Bidet Swash LE99 is a solid pick for anyone who wants comfort and convenience in one neat package. Number 6 is the Tushy Classic 3.0 Bidet Toilet Seat Attachment. This is the best bidet attachment on our list. If you want a simple way to upgrade your bathroom without electricity or a complicated setup, this is a solid choice. It's non-electric, so you don't need to plug anything in, and it fits most standard toilets. The Tushy has a smart spray nozzle that's self-cleaning and easy to adjust. You can control both the water pressure and the angle of the stream. The installation is fast and straightforward. All the parts come in the box, and most people can hook it up in just a few minutes. The design is clean and modern, so it doesn't look out of place in your bathroom. Plus, it comes in a few color options if you want a little style. Julia puts it as, "We love our Tushy. Super easy to install, no electrical required, and it works really well. It's amazing how quickly you get used to it. We've had it for a little over a month, and definitely less toilet paper has been used. Water pressure is excellent and no leaking at all. We got just the classic and the water doesn't feel too cold. Just refreshing. We plan to get one more for our second bathroom. Very affordable for a great product. Overall, the Tushy Classic 3.0 is perfect if you want a low-cost, effective, and simple entry into bidet life." Number 5 is the BioBidet BB550. This is the best mid-range electric bidet seat on our list. If you want to step up from basic bidets, this one gives you a lot of comfort without going overboard on price. This bidet toilet seat also fits most standard elongated toilets. It's fully electric, so you just plug it in and enjoy all the features. The seat is heated, which feels great in winter, and it has a warm water wash with adjustable water pressure. It also has a warm air dryer, which reduces the usage of toilet paper. The BB550 also has a slow-close lid, a soft nightlight, and an easy-to-use control knob that lets you switch between front and rear wash modes. You can even adjust the temperature of the water, the air, and the seat itself. And the installation is pretty simple, and all the parts come with the seat. You don't need a plumber, and BioBidet has US-based support if you run into questions. Overall, the BioBidet BB550 is perfect if you want a comfortable electric bidet experience without spending hundreds more. Number 4 is the BioBidet Discovery DLS. This is the best low-profile bidet seat on our list. If you want a bidet that feels sleek and modern and packs all the luxury features, this one's a serious upgrade. The low-profile design means it doesn't stick out or look bulky. You'll have an auto-open and close lid and seat, which is handy, especially at night. The heated seat warms up fast, and the water heater delivers a comfortable front or rear wash almost instantly. You can adjust the water temperature and pressure to your liking. And there's even a dynamic stream option that alternates warm and cooler water for a deeper clean. When it comes to drying, the Discovery DLS steps up from the rest. The warm air dryer heats up quickly, and you can adjust the airflow in 3 stages from gentle to more powerful. Plus, the nozzle automatically cleans itself every time, keeping things hygienic without extra effort. A nightlight, slow close lid, and a wireless remote are also added, like other options on our list. Now, it's not cheap, but considering the tech and comfort packed into this slim seat, it justifies the price. Overall, it's a smart choice for anyone who wants a high-end, low-profile bidet without going full toilet replacement. And if you want to know the latest prices for the bidet toilet seats discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're enjoying this video, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. Number 3 is the Kohler PureTide non-electric bidet seat. This is the best manual bidet seat on our list if you're looking for a simple bidet that still does the job really well. It's completely non-electric, so there are no plugs or batteries to worry about. Everything runs with a manual handle on the side and lets you adjust the water pressure and spray position exactly how you like it. The seat of this bidet toilet is ergonomically shaped, and the quiet close lid prevents any loud slams, and it fits most elongated toilets, so installation is pretty straightforward. Plus, the seat can be removed easily for cleaning due to the quick release function. And as for the hygiene, the wand automatically rinses after every use and keeps things clean. Overall, this bidet earns its spot as the best manual option on our list. It's simple, reliable, and gives you full control without any electricity or fancy gadgets. Number 2 is the Bidet Slim Edge attachment. This is the best value non-electric bidet attachment on our list. This bidet seat is a simple upgrade without spending a lot or dealing with electricity. This is also non-electric, which means easy installation. You can do it yourself in minutes with all the included connectors and instructions. The bidet has dual nozzles, one for rear wash and one for feminine hygiene, so it works well for everyone. You can also control the water pressure with a simple knob on the side, which lets you adjust it exactly how you like. The slim design keeps it low profile and modern looking, so it doesn't look out of place in your bathroom. It's also renter-friendly. You can remove it easily if you move without leaving permanent marks. And cleaning is simple too. The attachment sits under your regular toilet seat, so there are no complicated electronics to worry about. This bidet is ideal for postpartum care, recovery from surgery, or just extra comfort for seniors. It covers the hygiene needs of a wide range of users without making things complicated. A buyer wrote, "I highly recommend this budget-conscious product for those who have never had a bidet or those who wouldn't use a bathroom without one. I'm a retired math professor but had no problem installing this with the 2 recommended tools, an adjustable wrench, and a screwdriver. Everything else was included and of good quality. I found no leaks, and it took me less than an hour. If I had a 3rd bathroom, I'd be ordering another one now." Overall, the Bidet Slim Edge is a simple, effective, and affordable way to get the benefits of a bidet. Number 1 is the Toto Washlet. This is the best overall bidet toilet seat on our list. If you want a top-tier bathroom upgrade, the Toto Washlet really sets the standard. It gives you an instant warm water stream with oscillating functions for a thorough clean. The Air and Wonder Wave technology gives a gentle but effective wash, so you feel fresh every time. The seat itself is very convenient. It has an automatic open and close lid that senses when you approach, plus a nightlight that softly illuminates the room at night. The pre-mist mists the bowl before each use to keep waste from sticking, and the eWater Plus system cleans the wand before and after use. Personalization is also easy with the remote. You can adjust water pressure, temperature, and even the seat temperature to suit your preference. It has 4 user memory settings that let everyone in the house quickly access their favorite settings. There's also an eco mode that helps save electricity without affecting performance. And even with all the tech, the price is very competitive for a fully loaded electronic bidet. Overall, the Toto washlet combines comfort, hygiene, and smart features in one high-quality package, and that's all for today's lineup. I hope this list helped you decide on the perfect bidet toilet seat. And if you found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. If you found the one you like, don't forget to check the description for links to each bidet toilet seat. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.